Alright guys, let's start by importing. Now make sure you select the composition, retain layer sizes. Now before I start the animation, let's scale down the logo to a slightly smaller size. So for this I will use a null object. Parent both the layers to the null object. Now create a circular shape and place it to the center of the composition. Now create a circular shape and place it in the center of the composition. Now animate the scale properties of this shape in interval. Add easing to it and edit the graph just as. We will be using this shape as a track mat to now create a pre-comp for the logo and the tagline so that and set the bottom so that the logo will be visible. Then to create some noise on the edge of the shape, add a turbulent displace effect on the shape layer and set amount to 200, size to 15 and complexity to 10. Next, add a mosaic effect on the same layer and set horizontal blocks to 100 and vertical blocks to 50 to get perfect mosaic squares. Now pre-compose both the layers and make sure moving all attributes into new comp is checked and name them logo reveal. Then add a fill effect on the logo reveal comp and set it to white. Duplicate the composition by pressing Ctrl D and set the bottom comp track mat to alpha inverted mat. Offset the top comp by 10 to 15 frames to adjust the thickness of the effect. But we can see some artifacts there on the edge. To fix that, add a minimax effect on the bottom layer. And set the operation to minimum, channel to alpha in color and radius to 1. Now pre-compose both compositions and name them Mosaic Scan. Go to the project panel and drag the logo reveal comp below the Mosaic Scan composition, then set the Mosaic Scan composition's blend mode to screen. Once that is set, add CC glass effect on that Mosaic Scan comp and set property to alpha, softness to 1, height to -50 and displacement to 200. Next, add displacement map and set max horizontal displacement to 100. And vertical displacement to 0. Then duplicate displacement matte effect and set horizontal displacement to -200. To add color to our effect, add coloroma effect. And in the input phase, set the add phase to Mosaic Scan, and in the output phase, set the preset palette to hue cycle. To top it off, add glow. And set radius to 70. Then duplicate it and set radius to 240. Then duplicate it again and set radius to 400. At last, pre-compose both compositions and name them logo animation. The mosaic pattern is slightly visible at the end, so let's animate its opacity from 100 to 0 by adding 2 keyframes, just when the animation is completed. At last, pre-compose both compositions and name them logo animation. Let's start creating the 3D flow. Create a black solid and add fractal noise effect on the solid. Make the solid a 3D layer by clicking 3D layer icon and set X rotation to 90 degrees and adjust position and scale so that it is placed at the bottom. Now go to Effects Control panel of the Fractal Noise effect and set Fractal type to blocks, contrast to around 200, brightness to -30 and complexity to 5 to get that sharp contrasty look. Next, select the floor layer and right click and pre-compose it. Drag it below the logo animation comp. Now duplicate the logo animation comp and name the middle comp to reflection. We will use this comp to make reflections on the floor. Open up the scale property of the reflection comp and scale down the y-axis to -100 so that the logo flips vertically. Move it down a little and then reduce it to -50 in the y-axis. Decrease the opacity to 75%. Now create an adjustment layer and place it between the logo animation and the reflection comp. Next, in the Effects tab, search for Compound Blur and drag it on the adjustment layer. And set Blur layer to Floor Comp and maximum blur to 100. Now let's add CC glass effect to it. On the same layer, set the bump map to Floor Comp. Then change softness to 0, height to 15 and displacement to 50. You can see that our reflection is not looking good because it's too sharp right now. So let's add a directional blur on the reflection comp and set its direction to 90 and blur length to 50. So we are almost done with our logo animation. To add some more 3D motion, make the logo animation comp and reflection comp 3D. Then add a camera with a preset of 28mm. Animate the camera's Z position from 0 to 4 seconds and easy ease the keyframes. You can see that the floor here isn't moving, but remember that we made the floor layer a 3D layer earlier, so it will easily come handy right now. Turn on the collapse transformation effect for the floor comp so that it moves along the camera. Now to add some more finishing to the logo animation comp, add a CC light sweep effect on the logo reveal comp, adjust its direction and animate its center from one direction to another by using keyframes. Adjust the keyframes slightly to get a better smooth animation. Let's take it up a notch by actually animating the logo and also the tagline to appear with a slight delay. And there you go. Now you have your amazing digital logo animation reveal inside of After Effects with no plugins used. So I hope you guys enjoyed this After Effects tutorial. And if you did, make sure to leave a comment on this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing After Effects tutorials. See you in the next video.